Hi guys, so I'm in the middle of actually filming the Yoho bed modification with the felt. So I don't know when this video is actually going to drop, but the FedEx guy dropped off some goodies. I'm actually pretty excited about this. I ordered this in September, and with supply chain issues and back orders and everything, it was kind of crazy. So I'll just give you my experience. This, as you can tell by the title of the video, is the Gobi ladder. I'm going to be throwing this on the back of my 5th Gen 4Runner. I will make a separate video installing it and telling you why I ultimately went with the Gobi compared to the other ladders that are on the market. And I'll also explain, do you even need a ladder? I think the obvious answer is no. I mean, you don't need anything really to go overlanding. I think it's a matter of preference. I'll also say, for me, there's a couple of things that I'm going to use this ladder for besides just being a ladder, and I'll explain that further in the actual video I release about this. But this is just going to be a quick unboxing video. Hopefully it's not damaged again, because like I said, I ordered this back in September, so we're both going to open this up together. I will say two big advantages of this being back ordered is Gobi kept releasing deals to incentivize you to still buy it, but basically reward you for being patient because of the backlog that these things are under. One of those was they give you the heavy duty struts for the back of the 4Runner. The shocks that are on the lift gate are plenty strong as it is to handle the weight of the lift gate by itself, but when you add the weight of the Gobi ladder, particularly if it's an older one, the gas struts are just not strong enough to hold the door up. I think mine being new, they'd probably just do just fine. It'd probably just sag just a tad bit, but I'm going to throw these on anyways and just keep the OEM ones as backup as needed. In addition to that, like I said, I ordered this in September, but I ended up not receiving it until it's basically February. So I actually got to take advantage of the Black Friday pricing. So one little trick for you guys is, if you're in the back order loop and they have deals, keep an eye on the prices, because I was able to score this thing for way cheaper than it usually is. So one neat thing about that is, yes, it stinks that you have to wait for the ladder, but sometimes patience is a virtue. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to throw this on a time lapse. I'm going to open this guy up. I can already tell the struts are really well wrapped, and I'm not going to open them up till the installation video. But they do have instructions in there, and it looks like it's pretty self-explanatory if you've ever installed the gas shocks. So, like I said, I'm going to throw this on a time lapse. I'm going to open this guy up, and then I'll show you the ladder. Okay, so as you can tell by that quick time lapse, I did a little unboxing. Again, I think I've mentioned this in several of my videos. I am not unbox therapy, so don't expect the nice videos like that guy throws out. But here's the Gobi ladder, really well wrapped and packaged. It looks like, unlike my roof bars or crossbars that I ordered a while back, there doesn't seem to be any real damage from what I can tell. Looks like the bottom and the top part is pretty well padded. And then obviously we've got the additional bracket and bolts and things that you'll need for the installation, in addition to the instructions. So I'm excited to be throwing this on. I'm not entirely sure when I'm going to release the actual install video, because I've got to find some time to actually do that. But I did want to just show you guys kind of the next thing to be added to the 4Runner. I'm really excited. This is one of the more permanent fixtures that's going to be added. The tire carrier was obviously removable, and the crossbars can be removed, but they're going to stay up there. Frankly, I don't know that I'm going to ever take them off, and as of now, they've been on there since I originally installed them. So yeah, so I just wanted to make a quick video of what's to come, and hopefully we'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.